Bittorrent token holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the surprise, and absolutely this time the massive changes occur in the Bittorrent token, unbelievable changes occur in the Bittorrent token. Everything is going positive in a BTT token. So first of all, I'm very happy, my friends. I'm feeling very excited to see the Bittorrent token price changes. Now this time the every change in the BTT is going positive. The latest last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week price change occur in the Bittorrent token is going positive. I'm very happy, my friends. Hope you also feeling good about the Bittorrent token. Tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about Bittorrent token? Absolutely you're feeling good because the change is positive, because the price is starting increasing, because you're getting profit. That's why you all feeling good. That's good, my friends. That's good. But my friends, remember to keep supporting IBS Tech channel, and for support only you have to only subscribe my channel for updates and news videos. My friends, this time if we talk about the latest price of the Bittorrent token, so 0.002764 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Bittorrent token. Furthermore, if we talk about the price changes of the Bittorrent token, so 55 is the market rank of the Bittorrent token. That's the 55 is the market rank of the BTT token. And let me show you the further more details about BTT token. Oh my godness, my friends, that is the 3-month price chart of the Bittorrent token, and you can see here from the previous 3 months the price of BTT token is gradually completely falls down. You can see here, but now in the last of June the Bittorrent token price is ready to explode. And absolutely, my friends, I believe that Bittorrent token will take a pump. They will take a pump, I'm sure. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Bittorrent token? But my prediction is 100% positive, my friends. For profit, if you want profit from a Bittorrent, so you have to hold for long term. If you hold for long term, absolutely you will get profit from a Bittorrent token. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.